Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, you saw the GS550 carb teardown here, and if you notice, I mentioned that I broke the float pedestal off here. So in this video, what I'm going to do is show everything I did to make the repair here. Hopefully it's a long-lasting repair. But anyway, yeah, we make mistakes, we're going to fix them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. Enjoy. Well, I'm sure it's because I was recording, but I broke a float tower off. Damn. I've never done that. First time. That's gonna suck. I gotta figure out how to fix that. All right, guys, coming at you with the cell phone cam for more close-up, detailed video. So anyway, you can see here the float pedestal that broke off. I got a little aggressive with it. That guy is right here. So here is how we're going to fix it. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and I've drilled a hole in the center of that, in the center of the pedestal there, as close to center as I can get. I used a 16th inch drill bit, and then I took an extra 16th inch bit, like an old one. I cut it down, all right? Cut it down, just rounded the edges off. And that's gonna fit in here nice and tight, okay? Leaving a little exposed. And then the actual existing tower, I got it really close actually. I was pretty happy with that. That's the offset from stock, but the height is the critical dimension as well. So I went ahead and took the pin as the stock pin, and I've just cleaned it up, made sure it's straight, and then up here where it gets a little bit bigger, I've just taken some Scotch-Brite and I chucked this thing up in the drill, and I've just been trying to turn it down a little bit just to release a little bit of tension. But this guy will go in here, okay? I don't want to force it because this is not glued. Now what I'm going to do is probably sand the outsides of this down and get it kind of roughed up. And then I'm going to use some JB Marine Weld because this stuff is fuel resistant. I've used it inside carburetor bowls before on some deteriorated pieces, and it's worked really well. So what we'll do is scuff this up, like I said, go ahead and get this mixed up. And then I'm going to, instead of using this pin to align stuff with, I'm going to use a piece of 3/32 TIG filler rod, which fits in here very well. So I'll probably put a little bit of weight, you know, maybe like zip tie this down to the edges or something like that. I'll probably do that and hold it down, keep pressure on it while the epoxy is actually setting up. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. All right, you can see I went ahead and just kind of roughed that up. That's just going to give something to bite to instead of a smooth surface. There we go. All right, calling it there. Doing my best sculpting. The aftermath. I tried not to build it up too much. We're gonna rely on the pin that's within that, and then the main JB weld in between the two pieces. So hopefully that holds. I just know to be extra careful with it. So we're gonna try it out. I've actually never repaired one of these before because I've never broke one before. So let's see how it goes. Anyway, now to let it dry. All right, guys. That does it for this one. We went ahead and fixed that pedestal here. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these things in the next couple days. I finally have all the parts that I've been waiting on. So hopefully this is a good repair and we can be on our way. I really wanna get that GS550 fired up and go take it for a spin. So I have other plans for that bike, and I just wanna get it on the road before, before the season's over. So the sooner the better. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And look for the next one where I start putting these things back together. But anyway, I appreciate you watching.